Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will learn the specific IC, specific integrated circuit, that is IC741. Generally we are using this IC741 as operational amplifier. So let's see how we will understand this operational amplifier. Here we have to just understand the pin configuration of IC741. Basically we have 741 IC is made up of 8 pins. This is DIP, that is dual in package. This IC में both sides pins are there, it's called as a dual in package. Then out of these 8 pins, generally we require 5 active pins. 2 input pins are available and 1 output pin is given. 2 DC input lines are given. So basically 4 inputs and 1 output which has been given out of this 5 active. And more than that, 2 are used for compensation, right? So we will shortly learn this IC741 pin configuration. This is IC का नामकरण, that is IC741. Pin number 1 will get started over here, then 2, then 3, then 4. As this is 8 pin IC divided into 2 parts, one is at the left hand side, one is at the right hand side. So 5, 6, 7 and 8. Pin number 1 is not been used, so it is called as not connected. Pin number 2 is inverting input terminal. Pin number 3 is non-inverting input terminal. Pin number 4 is connected to minus DC supply, negative VEE I can say. Next, this 5 is also not connected. I will talk more precisely about pin number 1 and pin number 5 later on in this particular video only. Pin number 6 is connected to output. Pin number 7 is connected to plus VCC, that is plus DC supply. Pin number 8 again not connected. So this is how the pin configuration of IC741 is. We will learn symbolically how to represent this particular 741 on your breadboard. If this is the 741, this is my second pin and this is my third pin. This is 6th pin, this is 7th pin and this is your 4th pin. 5 active pin. 7 and 4 is connected to DC supply. This is plus VCC, this is minus VCC. Second is connected to inverting input. That means here I will apply one particular voltage, let's say V1, and that I will treat as inverting input. This is non-inverting input. Let's say this is V2, and here we will be getting the value of output voltage. This is how the symbol of VCC, and this is your pin configuration of 741. I will guide you how to mount this particular IC on breadboard. If I say this is your breadboard, simple. For every IC, I have to mount on breadboard very specifically. Suppose this is a breadboard. This basically breadboard is divided into many parts. Basic two parts. This is upper side and this is lower side. Generally we use this particular specific part of breadboard for VCC and this part for ground, right? Here also we do have the vertical and horizontal connection and so on, right? This has the division. This is connected horizontally, so I can say horizontally connection. Vertically it is not connected, so this is isolation. This is A and this is B. Okay. Similarly here 5 points are given and this is your isolation, and from here to here 5 points, this is 1, this is 2 and this is so on, will be getting 5, okay, for this particular block. Similarly for this particular block it is horizontally connected. Done. And in similar way this is same, 5 numbers. As far as IC is concerned, we'll not mount IC over here, right? We'll mount IC in such a way that each and every pin is isolated, such that we'll form the circuitry with your external resistance and active or passive devices. Suppose my 741 is over here. Here, these two blocks are vertically connected. This is having vertical connection. Similarly over here, it's a vertical connection. So there is no horizontal connection. These all points are vertically connected vertically. Now how I will mount the 741 on this IC? Your first 4 pin should be at the lower side, such that your notch will come over here, and this is how you will mount your 741 on this particular shape. So first 4 lines will be on the upper half and lower 4 lines will be on the lower half. This is first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7 and 8, in such a way that as this is vertically connected, 1, 2, 3, 4 have their different rows, isolation. 5, 6, 7, 8, same story. So I can say that the 1 to 8 all pins are internally not connected, so that I can make a statement that 1 to 8 pins are though internally connected, they are not externally shorted. So I can form external circuitry and I can get the output as a required operation. I hope you all cleared about the 741 pin configuration and how to mount it on breadboard. So for further videos, stay tuned for Ekeeda channel and subscribe, like and share, as well as comment on this particular video. Thank you so much.